Hi, it's Grant here, and in this video what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a full review of Jeff Clark Trader for 2023. It's 13th of April 2023 today, so it's completely up to date. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk a little bit about it. I'm going to talk about who Jeff Clark is, what he teaches. I'm going to show you around, give you my thoughts on it, and at the end of the video, so you must stay at the end of the video, I'm going to show you his full track record of all of the trades he's given out since this service launched, I do believe, in 2019. So you can see all of the trades, whether they are profitable or not. So basically at the end of the video, you can make a decision of whether Jeff Clark Trader is right for you or not. So with that said, grab a coffee or a cup of tea, sit back, relax and enjoy the video. So with that said, let's get on with it. So who is Jeff Clark? So Jeff Clark is basically one of the world's leading options traders. He's basically been in the game for decades. And now his passion is teaching ordinary people how to trade options, which leads me on to the next question. What does he teach? Jeff basically teaches options trading. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a very brief overview of what options trading is so you can get an understanding of whether it is right for you or not. So basically, options trading is a form of leveraged trading because you're basically controlling shares. So all an option is, it's a contract that controls 100 shares that you are not obliged to buy or sell. And basically with an options contract, depending on which one you buy, because there's two types, you're basically betting on the shares in that contract going up or down. So you can make a profit whether the price of an option goes up or goes down, depending on which options contract you buy. So they're great for trading volatile shares and volatile markets like they are at the moment. And that's why options trading has become so popular, because you can trade the swings of shares without ever actually owning the shares and scooping profits in the process. So the next thing you need to know, there's two types of option contract. You've got call options and put options. With a call option, you take out a call option if you think the price of shares are going to go above a certain point by a certain date. With a put option, you buy a put option if you believe the price of shares are going to go down below a certain price by a certain date. Beautiful thing about options trading is that you can profit basically in two ways. You can either profit by either buying the shares in the contract, but you're not obliged to do this, but you can do if you want. But basically what Jeff Clark Trader teaches is he teaches how to profit from options by just buying and selling options contracts, by buying an options contract at one price, but then selling it to another trader for a higher price. And that's what you're going to learn in this. So you're going to learn how to trade, options using calls and puts, and basically profit by buying and selling options contracts on shares you don't own, but you control. So if that sounds exciting, stay with me, because what I'm going to do now is just show you around Jeff Clark Trader. Okay, so there's a couple of parts to Jeff Clark Trader. So you've got the issues and updates. So this gives you all of the trade alerts and the monthly newsletter. The next thing is the special reports. There's loads of them in here. There's some new ones added. An urgent prediction for the next 12 months as Americans, a new financial and social area. This is a new sort of report where basically I think they're going to be introducing currency trading. So this is a currency trading blueprint. So, Forex or currency trading. So this report gives you an outline of currency trading, ready for some currency trades that they're going to introduce soon. And currency trading is great for volatility, and the currency trading market is very volatile at the moment. So that's a new addition to Jeff Clark Trader. Great report. You've got fast cash trades, make instant cash using uncovered parts. You can trade Bitcoin with options. You've got the one-stop retirement blueprint. You've got all of these different reports here. There's loads more. It's fantastic. I love them. I've basically learned how to trade options pretty much using this service. You've got the portfolio of basically all of the open trades. I've got loads of videos here. So these are all the Q&A calls that they had. So that's interesting. But obviously if you're brand spanking new to options trading, this is going to be highly valuable. So basically, you've got Jeff's masterclass video trading series. So basically, it's an 8-step course ranging in topics from understanding options to buying calls to how to project where a stock is headed. Now, I can tell you from basically, getting into options in the past year, the most important thing to know is how to predict when a stock is going to move, so you can either take a call out on that share, a call option out, or put option. So this is going to bring you up to speed fully with options trading. You've got a crash course here of all the past, course and live calls. So that is basically everything you get with Jeff Clark Trader. So with the special reports and the course, you're going to know more about options than probably 95% of ordinary people out there, and you're going to be ready to start placing your first options trade. And basically, you'll look for trades in the issues and updates. So you get a buy alert if you want to, you want to buy an option, and then you get a sell alert, which they put out if you want to, when they want you to sell an open position. So now at the end of the video, what I'm going to do is show you Jeff's track record. So it's Jeff Clark Trader, and this table here shows you all of the winning and losing trades that he's put out. Basically, if there's, these are profitable. If you see a minus, it's a loss. So these are all of the trades that he's put out. What I'll do is I'll link to this down in the description so you can take a look for yourself. So these are all of the trades that he's put out. As you can see here, just scrolling down. So yeah. So those are all of the options trades he's given his members, and I've did my numbers. And basically, there are a total of 84 trades put out. There's 49 5 losers. So it's a 58 to 60% win rate on all of the trades that he's picked out. Now I've done a couple of trades. I think I've won a few. I've won a few trades. I've also lost one or two as well. But the biggest thing about Jeff Clark Trader, I find, is that it's given me a skill, to go out and trade options. It's just another way to maximize, the money I've got. So not only, taking Jeff's picks, but you can, once you get competent, you can go and start trading on your own, and basically finding your own shares you want to trade, with options. So yeah, this is a track record. I work it out to be about a 30%, 58% win rate. And here's the interesting thing that I must let you know. At the end of the day, if you're coming into this wanting to strike it rich quick and get your Lambo, don't think that. Just go off and find something else. This is for serious people who want to learn a new trading skill and who are in it for the long term. Because I don't care what service you take or who you follow, you're going to get winning trades and losing trades. But at the end of the day, the game of trading, if you win more than you lose, you're going to be profitable. So yeah, I think 58 to 60% win rate's pretty decent for a trader. Now the thing is, you don't have to do all of these trades. You can just dip in and out as you feel. And the thing is, the more experience you get with options trading, you can, with all the picks, you can investigate them yourself and decide whether you want to enter or trade or not. But yeah, what can I say? It's 58%, not a bad record here. And like I say, I've done a few of his trades. I haven't done every one because I only joined last year, but I think I've done, off the top of my head, I've done about 7 trades. I think I'm 1-4 and sort of lost 3. So I'm above 50%. But at the end of the day, so I'm profitable. But it's taught me a skill that I can go off and basically go off on my own and do it if I want. So yeah, so if you want to learn options trading, get into trading, then I think Jeff Clark Trader is a great service for you. It's fully in depth. It's got everything you need to learn options trading with the special reports. the videos, the courses, and you get the trade alerts. It's got everything you need to start learning options trader. And really, once you've gone through everything and you've placed a few trades, you're going to be ahead of the game. And it just gives you another way of how to maximize your investment. And that's basically what everyone wants. So how much is Jeff? Oh, before I reveal you the price. So how much does it cost to get going with options trading? Well, if you're utterly broke and you've got no extra cash, then don't trade options. Don't trade anything, because you're just going to lose a load of money. If you've got a spare $500 to $1,000 you want to play with, then great. Jeff Clark Trader is great for you. You can even get started with this for $250 to $300 because the trades he gives out to take out a trade, you can start trading anywhere from $50 to $300 a trade. So if you've got a cash amount of $500 to $1,000, perfect. You can come in here, learn, get up to speed, and then start placing your trades. The final thing I will say is you're going to need a piece of trading software. I use something called Tastyworks, and I'm not affiliated with it in any way. Tastyworks is, in my opinion, the best options trading platform. Basically, it gives you access to the options market. So I highly recommend joining Tasty Trades. What I'll do is I'll link to it down below. I'm not affiliate. I don't get a commission from it, but I just highly recommend it because it allows you to trade options whether you're in the US or outside of the US. And it's great. Very, very good broker. And you can do it from your phone. You can do it from your laptop or PC or whatever. So that is basically my review of Jeff Clark Trader. So basically, you can get all of this and you can join Jeff Clark Trader for $19. And $19 locks in your membership for 1 whole year. So if you want to join Jeff Clark Trader, what I'll do is I'll link to it down in the description below. I'll put a link in the comments that I'll pin and also in the description. So just click the link. It's going to be a landing page there that you can have a quick read. Click the button on the landing page and that will take you through to basically the cart where you can read more and then place your order. So for $19, I do believe you get a 60-day money-back guarantee. It's well worth trying to see if options trading is right for you or not. And what I'll do is I'll link to the track record down in the description below so you can have a look for yourself, and also link to Tastyworks as well. So that's what I've got for you. Also, I must disclose that obviously if you buy Jeff Clark Trader through my link, I do get a commission. So, but basically it just, I get a commission. So hopefully I can give you reviews like this, hopefully helpful to you, that, point you in the right direction of whether Jeff Clark Trader is right for you or not. So if you want to buy Jeff Clark Trader, I'll link to it down below. Anyway, hopefully the video was useful, informative. If you did like the video, please like it because it helps the video. Why not subscribe? Thanks for joining me, and I'll speak to you soon.